Welcome to Flashissue mailing lists for Gmail. What I'd like to do is show you how you can build a mailing list from your Google Contacts so you can send your email to it. So before I create an email here, I can see over here on the left side there's three areas where I can access lists. Here, by clicking on the icon here, or finally using the top tabs here. What I'd like to do is that let's assume that we haven't yet created an email and we'd like to click a list. So we click into the recipient field, and here you see it says click here to create mailing list. This brings up a dialog box where we can select the people from our Google address book to go into the mailing list. So I'm just going to call it my big list. I can either select people individually like that, or I could also search for people. I'll just search for myself, add a couple of emails, and then when I'm ready, I just click create. All of those names have now been included in this list, and so it's ready to send. Another place to create a list is to go to the list screen. And this is also the area where I can review my current list. Here's the list I just created. Here's the names of the people in it. If I wanted to add people additionally to this list, I could once again just click here. I'd follow the same process of just adding people, and they'd be added to the list. There's Lindsay. If I want to create a new list, I click the new list button. Again, I'm just going to name the list. And follow the prompt to add people, and here we are again. So I can add completely different people to this list, and there they are in the list. So once again, if I go back here, I now have two lists. What this means is now when I come back to the editor to send my email or create a new email, I'll be able to see the lists here. So I want to send my email to them, and I want to send it to those. So those are both of my lists. Then I'm free to start creating my email. So that was a brief video on how to create a mailing list for Gmail in Flashissue.